Sawadee krub, dear food enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Thai Cuisine Chronicles, where we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden treasures of Thailand's culinary landscape. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of a beloved Thai dish, larb. But before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious explorations. Now, let's begin. Larb, pronounced Lahp, is a dish that hails from the heart of Thailand, particularly from the northeastern region known as Isan. Larb is a traditional dish that originates from the northeastern region of Thailand, known as Isan. It has also spread throughout other regions of Thailand and neighboring countries like Laos. Its roots are tied to the local culinary traditions of Isan people. Larb is often served with sticky rice, also known as glutinous rice. This pairing is a staple of northeastern Thai cuisine. The combination of flavorful larb and sticky rice creates a balanced and satisfying meal. The dish offers a wonderful contrast in textures. The minced meat provides a soft and savory element, while the addition of toasted rice powder offers a subtle crunch, adding depth to the dish. The dish is often served with lettuce or cabbage leaves that you can use to wrap the larb mixture, almost like a mini taco. This interactive eating style is not only enjoyable but also encourages communal dining and sharing. Thai cuisine places a strong emphasis on using fresh and locally sourced ingredients. This philosophy is evident in larb, where the quality of ingredients directly impacts the dish's taste and authenticity. Larb is often served at gatherings and celebrations, emphasizing its role as a social and communal dish. Sharing larb with family and friends is a way of celebrating togetherness. It's often considered the national dish of Laos as well. This savory delight is a vibrant blend of flavors, textures, and culture, showcasing the rich heritage of the region. Did you know that larb traces its roots back to the Lao and Thai communities' traditional practice of hunting and cooking game meat? Its original form consisted of minced meat mixed with herbs, spices, and ground rice, creating a nourishing and energizing meal for the hunters. Every dish has its essential components, and larb is no different. The key ingredients that give larb its distinctive character are minced meat, herbs, spices, toasted rice powder. Traditionally, larb was made using various meats such as pork, chicken, and even duck. However, today, you can find modern adaptations using beef, fish, and even tofu for the vegetarians among us. While many herbs contribute to the flavor symphony of larb, one that stands out is the makrut lime leaf. Its unique aroma and citrusy essence add a refreshing note to the dish. But here's a fun fact: the makrut lime leaves aren't just for flavor. They hold cultural significance too. In Thai culture, these leaves are believed to bring good luck and ward off evil spirits. How's that for an extra layer of meaning in your dish? One of the secrets to larb's irresistible taste lies in its dressing, a harmonious blend of flavors. Fish sauce, lime juice, chili flakes, and palm sugar come together to create a balance between salty, sour, spicy, and sweet. Here's a lesser-known fact: the dressing is a crucial step that involves achieving the perfect balance. Traditionally, it's prepared right before serving, ensuring that the freshness and intensity of flavors are preserved. Rice is a staple in Thai cuisine. And in larb, it plays a subtle yet significant role. The rice is dry roasted until golden brown and ground into a coarse powder, adding a delightful crunch and nuttiness to the dish. Historically, this practice had a practical reason too. Roasted rice acted as a filler, stretching the meat and making the dish more economical. Just like any other iconic dish, larb has evolved over time and taken on unique characteristics in different regions. In Thailand, you'll find variations like larb gai, chicken larb, and larb pla, fish larb. Each region adds its own twist, making the dish a true representation of Thailand's culinary diversity. For instance, in Isan, larb tends to be spicier with a generous use of fresh chilies, while in the central region, it's milder and often includes more vegetables. This diversity showcases the adaptability of Thai cuisine to local ingredients and preferences. As Thailand's popularity grew on the global stage, so did the love for its cuisine. Larb, with its bold flavors and intriguing backstory, has found its way onto menus around the world. In foreign lands, chefs have embraced larb, creating fusion versions that blend Thai sensibilities with local ingredients. From larb tacos to larb burgers, the possibilities are endless. And there you have it, larb, the captivating Thai dish that tells a story of culture, history, and innovation. The next time you savor this delectable dish, remember the layers of meaning and tradition that enrich every bite. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you're as captivated by Thai cuisine as I am, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow food enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more explorations of the world's most fascinating dishes. Until next time, Kob Kun Kha.